What's up, leopards? I am here to show you how to submit artwork for the You've Got a Friend in Me video collage project. So what I'm hoping for are pictures of you and your best friend. You know, it could be your stuffed animal, it could be your dog, your cat, your parents, your grown-ups, anything. Just whatever's gonna help when we play the song and just show lots of different pictures of people with their best friends. So it's up to you to be creative with that. And what I'm doing here is I'm at my Schoology page. Okay, so there's a new upcoming assignment. If you look down here, and it says "You've Got a Friend in Me Artwork Submissions." So what you're gonna do is click on that, and it brings you to the assignment. There are some directions. It says submit your artwork for the You've Got a Friend in Me video. Click the file button and locate your art on your computer. So in order to get all that started, all you have to do is click submit assignment, and then you're gonna click on that file button. Okay, so whatever picture you've made, you have to make sure that you have gotten it onto your computer. Now you could take a picture of a real picture that you drew, and then just save it to your computer. Or if you're using a drawing app like Google Drawing or Canva or whatever else you like to draw with, then just make sure to save a copy of it on your computer so that you can upload it using this button. So here I go, I'm clicking file, and once I do, I get brought to a kind of a upload window. So you have to find the file that you want to share. A lot of people will just put it on their desktop and it will say something like, you know, "You've got a friend in me" picture. But I use different file management strategies. So I have a folder called pictures, and I put them in, you know, I kind of separate everything out by folders. So my picture lives on pictures, spring program, submissions tutorial, and then "You've Got a Friend in Me." Okay, so once you find that file, all you have to do is click open, and then you click submit. And then you're done, and I can download it and put it all together in a super awesome video. So thank you so much for being part of this project. I hope it is exciting and fun for you, and the final results should be pretty awesome. So pause up, leopards. I will see you again soon. Bye-bye.